You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting name of a pasta, a shape of pasta from Italy. So let's break it down how it is said in Italian first, because I know it's very confusing when you look at the spelling that way, and how you can easily say in English as well. Pasta from Apulia in Italy, southern Italy. Orecchiette, no, orecchiette, orecchiette is how it's said in Italian. Alright, so let's break it down. Ore, then you have double CH, that's pronounced like a K, and because you have double C, you have to stress on this K sound. And you have a double T as well, so you have to make the double T quite strong as well. Orecchiette, orecchiette. Or if you can't pronounce Italian perfectly, just go orecchiette, orecchiette, okay, not orecchiette, orecchiette, from Italian, orecchiette. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.